Photosynthesis Project. Photosynthesis is the process used by plants to make their own food. In scientific terms, this would mean conversions of light energy into chemical energy by plants is called photosynthesis. This chemical energy is used by the plants for growth and nourishment. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Humans need some essential things like fire, water, vegetables, etc. to cook food. Just like plants need to have also essential factors like light, water, nutrients, soil, etc. Plants get light from the sun, water from the ground, and carbon dioxide from the air. All these factors, including air, water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight, together help plants make their own food. Plants have tubes called xylem, located in the stem, through which the water from the ground is sucked into the leaves. The xylem is spread throughout the different parts of the plant, including stem branches all the way up to the leaves, and transports vital nutrients to the entire plant. Xylems in plants are like blood vessels in the human body that act as an important means of transport for water and nutrients. Leaves on the plants have pores, very similar to pores on the skin of our body. These pores are called stomata. These stomata are responsible for the exchange of gases. The carbon dioxide present in the air, which is responsible for photosynthesis, enters the plant through the stomata. Oxygen also comes out of the same stomata. Leaves have important cells called mesophyll cells. These cells contain a green color component called chloroplast. This chloroplast is responsible for the green color of plants and leaves. Once the carbon dioxide and water reach the chloroplast in the presence of sunlight, the process of photosynthesis starts to take place. The following reaction takes place in the leaves of the plant during photosynthesis, which is carbon dioxide plus water plus which goes to oxygen plus glucose or carbohydrates. The products formed are glucose and oxygen. Carbohydrates, which are a form of glucose, are synthesized from carbon dioxide and water. Glucose is used by the plants for the growth. Some of the glucose is used immediately, and the extra glucose is not used but it is stored in the form of starch. In the leaves, some amount of glucose is also stored in the roots of the plants. The extra glucose is used to perform photosynthesis when there is no sunlight. Oxygen is given out into the air through the stomata in the process of photosynthesis. The oxygen that is released is used by human beings to breathe in during their respiration process. Photo and synthesis. Photo means light in Greek, and synthesis means putting together or combining, hence photosynthesis. Combining water and carbon dioxide in the presence of light. So the essential factors for photosynthesis to take place include sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Underwater, photosynthesis takes place at a slower pace than the normal photosynthesis. This is because energy from the sun is absorbed by the water layers and only some amount of the energy reaches the plants. There are some plants which don't need the process of photosynthesis to grow. Some plants include mushroom, Venus flytrap, and etc. Mushrooms get their own food from the ground and its surrounding areas. Venus flytraps catch small insects which come near the leaves and eat them. This concludes my photosynthesis project.